Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be checking out some cool Diwali gadgets. So let's start. So first up is water drop LED string lights by Gesto. These are 10 feet long and come with 14 LED light and plug. Next up is the crystal table lamp. 16 colors, changing LED RGB touch, lamp rose, diamond acrylic table lamp with remote by Khizar, and it can also work as a Rangoli. Next up is a laser projector stage light, and it is also sound activated, so it will react to whatever sound is played. And it also comes with a remote in order to control the modes. You can keep it outside in your courtyard or in your balcony or in a Diwali party to light the whole place up. And this product comes from 194 store. Next up, these lotus flower string lights are perfect decoration for home, indoor and outdoor deco. Garden, party, Diwali, Navratri, birthday, 30 LEDs come in just rupees 260, and this product also comes from 194 store. Next up is Diwali Fun Toy Matchstick Gun Pack of 2 by Graphene. Wait, how is it pronounced? Is it like graphene or graphene?
Graphene.
Okay, it's graphene, like graphene, whatever. It's a fun cracker gun toy for kids. Oh no, it's not a cracker. It's matchstick gun, and it's surprisingly loud. I don't even know how it's not a cracker. So that was all for today. See you in the next video.